How to get logged out of your ChatGPT account. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get logged out of your ChatGPT account. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and stick till the end. And be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Now to get logged out of your ChatGPT, firstly you make sure you are on the dashboard of ChatGPT, which looks like this. Now you have to tap on the three dots at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on three dots, an expanded menu will appear on your screen where you will be able to see logout option. Now in order to get logged out of your ChatGPT account, tap on logout option. And once you tap on logout button, you will be successfully get logged out of your account, and there you will taken to the home page of ChatGPT. Now if you want to get logged into your account, you have to tap on login button. Then you have to type in your account credentials and get logged back to your ChatGPT account. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged out of your ChatGPT account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a big thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.